In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Keep with Google Docs to enhance your productivity and organization. We'll guide you step by step through the process of accessing and utilizing Google Keep within your Docs, allowing you to manage your notes effectively right alongside your documents. This feature is incredibly handy for anyone who thrives on maintaining a seamless workflow between note-taking and document creation. First, let's dive into Google Docs. If you're new to this tool, you can easily access Google Docs by navigating to your Google account and selecting Docs from the menu. Once you're there, you'll have the option to open an existing document or start fresh and create a new one. The versatility of Google Docs makes it perfect for everything from simple notes to complex reports. Next, let's talk about accessing the Google Keep notepad within your Google Docs. Start by looking at the top menu bar in Google Docs and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Keep Notepad. This action will open a sidebar on the right side of your screen, magically bringing all your Google Keep notes into view alongside your document. This setup is an excellent way to keep related notes within easy reach as you work on your document. Once you have your Google Keep notes handy, you might want to bring some of that information directly into your document. To add notes from Keep to your Docs, browse through your Keep sidebar and find the note you'd like to include. Hover over this note and you'll see a three-dot menu appear. Clicking on More and selecting Add to Document is one way to incorporate it. Alternatively, and perhaps more intuitively, you can simply drag and drop the note into your document. Both methods will seamlessly integrate your notes directly into your text, saving you time and effort. Sometimes you may need to transfer ideas from your document back into Google Keep. This process is straightforward as well. Highlight the text you want to save, right-click, and choose Save to Keep Notepad. Just like that, the selected text makes its way into your Keep notes, ready for you to review or repurpose at a later time. Lastly, it's vital to organize your notes efficiently. Google Keep provides several simple yet effective tools for managing your notes within the sidebar. You can edit existing notes to reflect any updates, add labels to categorize and easily retrieve particular notes, pin notes that you deem especially important to keep them at the forefront, or delete notes that you no longer need. This level of organization ensures you're always on top of your tasks and priorities. By integrating Google Keep with Google Docs, you'll find your workflow becomes smoother and more coherent, helping you juggle tasks and ideas with improved efficiency. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy utilizing this powerful combination of tools.